So, hello fellow banknote collectors, and my name is Glenn, and today I have these Bangladeshi banknotes because this is a shout out video. So, let's see if we can get all the banknotes in there. So, when I like to do shout out videos, I like to show the banknotes or the coins of the country that the person comes from. And this person is World Banknote Collection, and they are actually from Bangladesh. So that is why I have some Bangladeshi banknotes. So I'll put his screenshot of his channel up right now. And I'll also leave a link down below because he actually does videos on banknotes. He puts nice music on them. And I would like him to get to 100 subscribers and even more, so to help his channel grow. Anyway, let's have a look at these Bangladeshi banknotes. So these are all in pretty poor condition. I only brought them because they were actually cheap at the time, and they probably have really low collector's value because they wouldn't be rare. But I don't know, the dates might be rare, they might be common. So here I have a 100 Taka, and the value of the Taka is about 60 Taka to 1, so this is about $1.60 Australian, which is really sad because the Taka used to have really good value. They used to have coins of 1, 5, 10, 25, 50 paisa, and they actually no longer circulate, and only Taka coins circulate. Just like in India, 50 paisa probably doesn't really circulate that much. 1 rupee is the lowest coin, and in Nepal the 1 rupee is the lowest coin, and also in Sri Lanka, which is sad because the rupee used to be worth about between 11.66 grams from memory. So someone could correct me if I'm wrong. And this one is quite a beautiful banknote. On here we have a nice pattern. I'm not too sure, I can't find information on this. It looks like it might be a type of tree. With, to me it reminds me of a Christmas tree, but as Bangladesh is a majority Muslim country, I doubt very much it's actually a Christmas tree. So we have looks like suns or something like that. If anyone can tell me what this is, that would be awesome. The watermark on all these banknotes is a tiger. This one's been shot in the head. We have a building here, and that is the Star Mosque, which is in Dhaka. So all these banknotes have mosques, and these mosques, if you ever go to Bangladesh, you should visit them because they're actually quite beautiful. But the 2 best mosques I've seen are in Afghanistan, the blue mosques. They're actually blue. I'm sorry, but until I've seen really good mosques in Bangladesh that are blue, Afghanistan just has better mosques, sorry. So we have on the back the Lao Ba Fort. So this looks like a 1500 fort. So it's pretty old. It's probably, just wondering from this banknote, it looks like up here is not in good condition. Down below it looks in reasonable condition. And it has a segmented security thread. As you can see, someone stamped it here, and they've also stamped it here as well. So maybe they just wanted to play around. And this banknote was actually issued between 1977 and 2000. It was replaced in 2001 with the Mujibur Rahman series of 100 Taka banknotes. And I actually like this. I like the colour gradation. So it's blue with yellows and reds. So that's it for that banknote. So in 2001, 2002, new series of banknotes was issued. At first they had the independence fighter Mujibur Rahman And I actually don't have his picture on any of these banknotes. And they were issued in about 2001, and in 2002 they replaced his image with either the coat of arms or the national monument, Suva. I presume that's the name. I should look these up, but this video is just a quick one because I never had time to look all this stuff up. So down below we have the Baitul Mokaram Mosque in Dhaka. Looks like quite a modern mosque, and it has an inscription up there, might say Allah, I don't know. That's in Arabic. And we have the coat of arms here. This is on all the coins. Well, it used to be on all the coins. I think Mujibur Rahman is now on all the coins, 1, 2 and 5 Taka. So it's the 10 Taka banknote. I believe this was issued in polymer as well. So here we have flower, and is that, oh yeah, see on both sides, that flower should actually match up. But this banknote's a bit dirty, so it's a bit hard to see. And then here we have something there. Looks like a star, not too sure. Here's Bangladeshi Bank logo. And here we have the National Assembly. So this is the Parliament building of Bangladesh. Looks quite modern, most likely built in the 70s or 80s after Bangladesh's independence in 1971. And I like this banknote, actually quite good. I'd like to get a better version of this, because this one's quite bad. So this one's 2002, and I actually reduced in size later on. So with the same series banknotes, we have the 100 Taka. So here we have the National Monument, Sinjar, and over here we have the Shait Gumbal Mosque. So the 60 dome mosque. So as you can see, it's got these circles on top. They are called domes. So there's one large one up there. So there's actually 60 of them. So let's have a look. You can see it quite easily there. So 60, that's quite inventive, and I'm very curious about that. So watermark, someone shot the tiger on the side. Oh yeah, and that watermark there is the symbol of the National Bank of Bangladesh. On the reverse, we just have a bridge, and this is a Jamuna Bridge. Now, no idea where that is. So if we look here, that watermark there is actually that symbol there. So that's what that is. I couldn't see it that well on the 10 Taka. So this is a 100 Taka with about $1.60, did I say? Oh, sorry, I'm a bit tired. Everyone gets tired. And this one was issued in 2002, and it was replaced in 2007 with the modern Jumibur Ramen series. So, and that series, the coloration is actually quite better. And the last banknote I have is the 500 Taka. So it's got in Latin, Arabic numerals, 500 Taka. Here it has the National Monument, Sovar again. So this was on most of the banknotes of this series. And here we have the Satgam Buj Mosque, so 7 dome mosque. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so you can count 6, and the 7th one is probably behind that one there. So not as many domes as the 60 dome, only 7, but it actually looks like quite a nice building. And I reckon that 60 dome mosque is actually quite old. Maybe I'll leave some information down below on how old it is. Look, here is the tiger again, and someone shot him again. So these all been damaged pretty much in the same place. So I wonder what they've been doing to them. And here we have a flower, so those two should actually meet up if you curl it around. And also, they have a security feature as well. If you curl this around, that should meet up as well. So they should have cut it correctly and it should meet up like that's a security device. So it looks quite nice there. And if you do it the other way, you get another pattern. Let's meet up. And I actually got this from ADV China, I think, where you use a Chinese renminbi and you turn them around like this to show a security device on this. And on the back, we have the Supreme Court in Dhaka. And this looks like an 1800 style, 1800 style architectural building, but considering it has the map of Bangladesh on the bottom, I would say this will probably predate after independence, although they could have actually put that on afterwards. And see the watermark again is that symbol there and the tiger. And this one is a more complicated security threat. Probably same there, but that probably just says Bank of Bangladesh. Not too sure, or Bangladesh Bank or whatever. So there it is again. Yep. Actually no, it looks a bit different. Yeah, it's only this part here. Yeah, so it probably just says Bangladesh. Awesome. And this banknote was issued 2002 up until 2009. And it's actually quite a nice banknote. I'd like to know what you think down below about this banknote. And just leave a comment about coins and banknotes overall. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And have an awesome banknote collecting time, people. So, bye-bye. Oh, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And see the links down below.